Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today for dinner I'm cooking peri peri chicken. So for the peri peri I am mixing some salt, garlic powder, thyme, oregano, basil and parsley, paprika, black pepper and a little bit of chili. So what I need first is I'm cooking drumsticks. So I've got about 2 kilos of drumstick, which I'm going to just put a layer in my baking tray. So just like that. I'm just gonna put them like that. So you can use chicken thighs if you want, but I'm using the drumsticks just for a cheaper version. So these drumsticks, they are about 12 drumsticks, which I'm going to just make sure they are nice and placed in the oven tray. Alright, so here you have it. These are like 12 of them. So what I'll also do is I'm going to just drizzle my spices. Just make sure this is peri peri spice. You can make this by mixing different types of spices that I've mentioned before. And peri peri chicken, this is a very common dish in Southern Africa, and it's so easy to make. But for now I'm just going to quickly season my chicken, which now I'm going to add a little bit of oil, just oil around it, and then mixing the drumsticks. Adding a little bit of salt also, just make sure the salt is even on the chicken. So mixing this through. So my peri peri chicken is nice and seasoned. So guys, I'm going to place this in an oven for about 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes, and I'll show you when we come back how the chicken looks. So in an oven, fan forced, that's my oven is fan forced, about 200 degrees for about an hour and an hour and a half, and then I'll have a look to see if the chicken is my desired color. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Guys, this is how the chicken drumsticks looks after 90 minutes. So I'm going to take them out of the oven and drain the juices and make a sauce. I'll show you how I'm going to make the sauce. But this is crispy oven baked drumstick, peri peri drumsticks. They look delicious, and try them and let me know how you think. What you think about these drumsticks. So I'm going to drain the juices in a pan. So just now I'm going to add one small onion, add a small onion in there. And also adding about 6 cloves of garlic. I just add a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of turmeric, and paprika, just a teaspoon, guys. I'm just trying to make the sauce. You know what I mean? Trying to make the sauce. Now guys, I'm adding Italian herbs, Italian mixed herbs. Just about a teaspoon of that. Adding some chicken stock, and a little bit of water. So just cook until the stock is dissolved. Guys, these drumsticks are so delicious. Please just try them and let me know what you think. They are so delicious and the kids will love them.